Hey guys, welcome back to the Ava Avenue. I do reviews and lifestyle content. This video is going to be my second reaction video on this channel. Today I'm going to be watching Justin Bieber's new video called Habitual. So stay tuned. Like it? He's in a church.
Flowers open when they feel the sunlight. Moonrise, tide change right before our eyes. Aggressive but softly, you place your lips on my lips. We're each
I
other's
see Justin,
eyes.
you know, like in nature, in his element.
Go deep,
not too much bells and whistles.
Deeper than
like
the ocean, so we ain't never rushing through our
days.
Has
the beauty of nature, that's what I like about it.
Repercussions, never get enough, I'm only for your consumption. Always rain the most in April. Every scare needs to be stable. Earth keeps spinning around.
It's a little leg motion.
So
okay.
Thankful. My love for you's habitual.
Justin's one of those artists who just has natural swag.
Not for a moment, but forever. No, it sounds untraditional.
Doesn't really have to do much.
Yeah. Never ungrateful for it. That's how we both want it. Habitual. Can't nobody keep me like you. Call it unconventional.
Ooh, the sky looks so pretty.
Our love is habitual, yeah.
He must have shot this in the fall. I'm not sure what location this video was shot in, but see the leaves.
Just to think that we've been out here this whole time, working through the seasons, never crossed paths till we had a reason. Now let's fast forward, look up, a whole new perspective for life. Always rain the most in April. Every scare needs to be stable. Earth keeps spinning around, we're breathing. So thankful. My love for you's habitual, yeah. So habitual. Not for a moment, but forever. No, it sounds untraditional, yeah. No, never ungrateful for it. That's how we both know.
The visuals are so pretty. I love nature too.
Can't nobody keep me like you. Call it unconventional.
They have him with the cartoon characters.
Our love is habitual, yeah.
I love that part. Alright, so let's get into the video. I liked the nature aspect of it. I like the blue sky. I'm a nature girl. I feel like it relaxes you. It helps you to like clear your mind. And I do like that it was shot in nature. The location was nice. For this video, it just left me wanting more. I wish that he told more of like a story, something that's more relatable. But sometimes I do understand like certain songs don't need like a really in-depth video, especially if you're focused on like different shots of the location, like the visual aesthetic of the location. But like I said, I would like to see a little bit more. To me, the video was okay. I do like the shots outside, and like I said, he's the type of artist that just has a lot of swag. I like when he does his little bounce thing. But yeah, overall the song to me was okay, and the video to me was okay. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. What do you think about this video? Is it one of your favorites? Is it a yay or is it a not so much? Let me know. And if you like this video, for more, make sure that you like it and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!